Man, this is what is cool right now about this battery box. It really should be called a storage box where I put my battery. So I'm looking at batteries. Some of them are going to eat up about half of the cubic area in here, and some of them are going to take up, you know, 2/3 of the area in here. But I got my tripod, my mints, another GoPro mount, and my mace in here, and my gloves. I'm leaning toward that smaller battery just because of what its availability it's going to give me for carrying shit. Kid Rock says it ain't bragging if you can back it up, right? Park City, 38 degrees, high for today. And then if you want to see the forecast, I can't see it because I don't have my cheaters on. But I'm dressed the same way I normally dress for going out, like when it was in the 40s and even up to the lower 50s. It's just for a couple of miles. My eyes are watering. So since I put the handlebars on, I noticed 2 days ago when I was out for a ride that they pulled back. So I adjusted them forward again and I tightened them down a little bit more. I was expecting them to move around because, I mean, it's a fulcrum. It's a lot of leverage on that pivot point. You know, my weight, the torque of the bike, and then especially my strength. Oh God, yeah, I'm gonna pull these back and put them on my lap at some point. I know it's gonna happen. I still a little bit into the habit of looking up here for my speedometer. What did I stop? What was I going to stop here for? God, I hate that. It's like going into the other room and forgetting what you went into the other room for. And now I'm doing it on my computer. It's like, okay, I go to a website or something and then I forget what I was going to the website for. Now I planned to stop here and I was going to do something. I was going to need to take my glove off. Oh yeah. My earpods kind of disconnected. Thank you. That was a long delayed reaction from them. Okay, so winter hasn't even officially started in the United States, I guess you'd say, but tomorrow's opening day at the resort. And I'm already looking forward to the spring. Having a full spring to ride this bike. By then I'll have my battery, new front forks. Hopefully I can do something with the seat. Should be a good spring or summer, even though I'll be broke from dumping so much money into this bike. All right, so what's the deal with this mask mandate? I mean, if you're socially distant, and when they say 6 feet, I mean more than 6 feet. Do you need to wear a mask? I see people driving by themselves wearing a mask. I see people walking down the road by themselves wearing a mask. Yeah, I put a mask on if I got to get close to someone. But man, I'm really getting good at avoiding it. Yeah, even these tires are gonna slip out on wet, dried out leaves in a 20-mile-an-hour turn. All right, this is very steep. Let's go one more road. Crank it down a little bit, another number. Oh, this is where my first slide outs was, right up here. Right there. So this is the new trailhead that the city's putting in. It's going to have parking spaces for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small cars. This was $110 million fucking dollars. That, yeah, we were taxed to save this hill from being developed, because it would have been competition for our mayor, whose hotel is like right down there. Well, they got enough stuff to open one trail. FJ siding. It's a stock FJ. Well, what the fuck you gonna do? God damn. Let's go try that. I got an idea. I got an idea. Okay, I remember this from 2 days ago. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Get on the grass. Man, it's rare that there's nobody up here. Stay in your fucking lanes, kids. All right, my fingers are getting cold. Everything else is okay.